now we're gonna make this really fun decor ice cream cone. And the cool thing is it has no calories. So the first thing that I do is I have this triangle cardboard cut, and I already put 3 glue dots on there. So I'm just gonna fold my felt over and stick this down. Then I'm gonna fold this felt over here and just have that tight there. Then I'm gonna take another glue dot. So I'm gonna use that glue dot to start my wire. So my wire is gonna go all the way around, and I'm just going to do it diagonally this way and then start going back up the other way. So this is the base of my ice cream cone, and I'm just gonna stick it right there on the same glue dot. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm gonna fold it in half and lay this down into the mini Bowdabra, and I'm just gonna tuck the ends underneath so they're out of my way. Then I'm gonna take my piece of felt and I'm just gonna scrunch this into the Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take the ends and I'm just gonna pull my wire through my slip knot and separate the ends. Bring this out of the Bowdabra, bring it around to the back. And we're just going to repeat. So I'm gonna take my next piece of Bowdabra bow wire, lay that into my mini Bowdabra, and this is gonna be a 3-scoop ice cream cone. So I'm just gonna make my next scoop. Then I'm going to make my next scoop of ice cream. And now I'm going to take my frame and make sure I have the right side up. What I've done here is I put a piece of paper, of scrapbooking paper, over the glass and just put that into my frame. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is grab a glue dot. And so now I'm going to just glue my ice cream cone here. Then I'm going to take another glue dot. And now I have my first scoop of ice cream. And then I'm going to put another glue dot right there. And now I'm going to take my next scoop of ice cream, grab another glue dot, and stick my third scoop of ice cream. And then I have this cute little ornament. I'm gonna just grab one more glue dot. And then I'm just gonna stick it right there. So you have your 3 scoops with a cherry on top. Isn't that fun for a little girl's room or really anywhere in the house? Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.